Hey guys, this is Denise with Family Canine Training here in Orlando. If you're on the puppy channel or on How I Raised Arrow, welcome, thanks for watching. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like the videos. Let the puppy know you don't like that, or you can do a little lip pinch, and say no, lip pinch there, and when the puppy stops, good girl. You will reward the puppy for being good. Good girl. You don't break bonds or relationships. There she no. Good. You don't break bonds or relationships with the puppy for supplying a correction for the nipping. You don't. You can also do a little finger tuck in there. They don't like that. It's just gonna be like, oh, that's not fun when I do that. Every time that I nip her, that happens. Or you can let out a loud squeal. That sometimes will startle them, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not. Each puppy is different.